Well, healthcare workers in Baldwin County say they have a handle on the situation.
That's right. Fox 10 News Baldwin County reporter Will Robinson-Smith is joining us from Malbus now with more. So, Will, what'd they tell you?
Well, Bob and Lenise, health workers here, like you said, are taking this very seriously, but they want to stress to people in Baldwin County and the surrounding areas that they do have a handle on it, and generally speaking, folks around here don't have a lot to worry about. When it comes to dealing with the potential of Ebola in Baldwin County, the Alabama Department of Public Health wants to reassure residents that it's taking the necessary steps.
We are also working very closely with the Centers for Disease Control, who provides a lot of guidance for institutions such as hospitals, emergency medical personnel, urgent cares, any clinic settings.
David Leggett serves most of the counties in our area with the exception of Mobile County. He says there are a number of differences between the United States and countries along the west coast of Africa that make it far less likely for anyone here to contract the disease.
We do have isolation wards. We do have good supportive care. We do have good infection control practices. We do have the ability to get word out to people through social media.
Of course, in the event that a case does arise in our area, he says there is a number of precautions they would take.
Isolation of the known patient, possibly quarantine of the known close contacts, and then public health would do contact tracing, the expanding circles of which individuals were in contact and possibly at risk for exposure.
Yeah, and Leggett wanted to make sure that folks also knew a couple other things about Ebola. The first is that it's only transmitted through direct contact through bodily fluids, and that a person is only contagious, or a person can only contract Ebola if they come into contact via bodily fluids of someone that is already exhibiting symptoms of the disease. Now, coming up on Only Local News at 5:30, we're taking a look at a medical center that has a specific emphasis on letting people know about the travel aspect of the disease, the fact that you really would likely have to come from or have visited recently West Africa to be a likely candidate for contracting Ebola. But for now, reporting live in Malbus, I'm Will Robinson-Smith for Fox 10 News.